Morning, everybody. Mr. Bacher here, going to go over a grammar lesson with you guys. Today's lesson is 8.1.6, the simple subject 2. So we've already done the simple subject the first time. What is the subject of a sentence? A person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Okay? Things, right? The thing in the sentence that performs the action. Okay? In this very first one, she went to the library after school to study for the big exam. They're asking us, what are all the nouns in this sentence? And our options are went, which is a verb, right? She went, that's what she did. Where did she go? The library. The library is the first one that we can choose from. The second options we've got here are study, school, and exam. You can't really have a study, right? You can have a study session, but the session is the noun in that. You can't have a school, and you can't have an exam, okay? Those are your three nouns, the things in the sentence. She was not an example, but she is most certainly a noun. Next one. Last year, Nancy went to Australia with her parents to go sightseeing, okay? Nancy, she's definitely a person, right? So she's the one who went to Australia. Australia is the place that she went. So Australia is definitely a noun. We know that it's a place. Parents. Parents are a thing, right? You know, you have parents. Most of us. Sightseeing. Ooh. Sightseeing? A noun? Yes. Sightseeing is a noun. Sightseeing is just like skiing, jumping. It's a verbal, but it's a noun. Sightseeing. It's a thing that we do. It's an idea. Okay? Next one. Make sure you have your passport and ticket before you leave the house to go to the airport. Make sure you have your passport. Passport's a thing. And ticket. A ticket is a thing. Before you leave the house, right? House is a thing. To go to the airport. Airport is a place. Those are the four. Okay? All right. That concludes those three. Let's go on to number 3. Hank, you with me? Hi, Hank. All right, Hank's back. All right, let's go to the simple subject. What is a simple subject? The simple subject is what we can boil down to the simplest idea of who this thing is about, right? If we say the big, giant, fluffy dog was red, dog is a simple subject. It is nice to know that he's big and giant and fluffy and his name is Marmaduke. But he's a dog. That's what we need to know. And so that's what we're doing here. Thomas went to see the football game with his sister. Who did the action in the sentence? Thomas went. Thomas is our simple subject. A is your correct answer on that one. Before leaving the house, I checked the bus schedule. Before leaving the house, I checked. I checked. Our simple sentence is I checked. Does that make sense? All we've got is me. I'm the only one doing anything. It's nice to know that it is before I did something else. But what I have to know is who did it. I did. Third one. No matter where she goes, he will follow her. He will follow. That's our sentence, right? No matter where she goes. Again, that's good to know, right? It's good to know that there's a reason that he's doing it. But the main thing we've got to know is he will follow. He is our sentence. He is our subject. Okay? Let's go on to verbals. I want to kind of cover verbals a little bit more deeply this time, okay? Because I feel like this is a tough one to get your head around because skiing is a verb. We are skiing. We are jumping. Those are verbs. Those are things that we do. However, when you refer to them as an activity, as an idea, they become nouns. Reading is a fun thing to do. Reading is. That's it. Reading is an idea at that point. Reading is an activity. It's something that we would do, but it's not verb. It's not action related. It's not the action of the sentence. Okay, I hope that clarifies that a little bit. In this one here, they want us to figure out which of the three sentences, to go to a good college, is the subject. Our first option is, he wants to go to a good college. What's the subject there? It's he. He wants. That's our basic sentence, okay? He wants to go to a good college. He is the person doing the wanting. My mom says that I need to go to a good college. My mom says. That's our simple sentence. You could have another sentence that says, I need to go to a good college. And that one, it's still I need. The last one. To go to a good college is his main goal. To go to a good college at that point becomes an idea. Okay? It's a dream, it's a hope, it's an expectation. Right? To go, in that sense, is the idea. Select C. Next one. Next one. Chop, chop. All right, there we go. Ugh. All right. Exercising is important to stay healthy. Exercising is an idea. It's an activity. We're not exercising right now. The concept of exercising is important. Exercising is our subject. Makes sense? Third one. Third one says, when it's hot out, swimming is the best way to stay cool. When it's hot out, great. That doesn't matter. You could say that you could have another sentence entirely, right? It's hot out. But that is a qualifier. When it's hot out, comma, okay, so this is our condition. Swimming is the best way to stay cool. Swimming is not an active thing. It's not, we're swimming. Instead, swimming is an idea. Again, an activity, something that we're thinking about. Swimming is the subject. Swimming is the thing that the sentence is about. Okay? It's the best way to stay cool. Swimming is. Cool? Number 5. Easy one, really. This one here is compound subject. What is a compound subject? It's when you have more than one person, place, thing, or idea that are all doing the same thing. My brother and I like to go have pizza. My brother and I both are the things, the people that like to go have the pizza. Emma and Olivia will play soccer and softball this year. Will play, right? In the future, they're going to play. That's our action. And who are the people who are going to do it? Emma and Olivia. A and B. That's it. Let's go to the next one. Every year, my family and I go to Colombia to visit my grandparents. My family and I go. Who are the people that do the going? My family and I. That's it. Third one. Playing games, watching TV, and shopping are my favorite things to do besides sleeping. Okay, so we've got 3 things that we like to do besides sleeping. Sleeping is not in it. Remember, sleeping is after the fact. It's the besides in there that excludes it from the subject. So what are the 3 things that we like to do? We like to play games, we like to watch TV, and we like shopping. That's it. You're done. You guys can do the other 2 exercises in each of those on your own. I have no doubt you're going to master it quite well, and I will see you for the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you're all doing fantastic.